Og det her, det er så ude foran...
Generator Hostel.
Ja, som sagt. Og
Hallo.
det er Andreas, Josefine
Ja.
und mich. Og derinde ses baren. Generator Bar, I think.
Can I borrow this little bump, please? Now we can three, yes, they're talking. Your tour guide.
I'll be a tour guide.
Here is Sex on the Beach. And he was spilled over himself. Yes. And Tequila Sunrise.
Oh, shut up, I'm doing teacher.
Shut up, I'm your Danish teacher.
Yeah.
And there's lots of people here. Yes, we're sitting outside.
Okay.
I'm so fucking pissed.
I'm so...
I was like,
Okay.
I love to hear.
Tequila. Lad være med at sige, hvad der drikker, mand.
And Josephine is drinking.
Ja, godt. God. God drink.
God drink.
God drink.
And called
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Ja,
Tequila Sunrise.
Sunrise. Tequila Sunrise.
But Sex on the Beach is much better. There is a Berliner beer. Ein große Bier.
Ja, en große Bier.
Yes,
Men
Schulz Teich.
den er bare halv.
Skal jeg drikke?
Kan trinken.
Sådan.
Ja, bitte.
Du skal tro den.
And now she are billing. Chillen. Oh, and then we have a club server here from. That's not here from. Yes, groß. Yes, and I have to get trinken now. So, bitteschön. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.